Last year, I visited a beautiful island for my vacation. I traveled by plane, and I remember looking out the window at the tiny clouds below. When I arrived, the weather was perfect. The sun shined brightly, and I felt a warm breeze on my skin. I checked into my hotel and then walked straight to the beach. I listened to the gentle waves and watched the seagulls fly overhead. During my stay, I explored a local market, tasted delicious fresh fruit, and relaxed by the sea every single day. I also learned to surf, which was so much fun. The entire trip was wonderful. I loved every moment and felt so happy and relaxed. It was a vacation I will always remember. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel stories.